Hey guys, today this is Kim Lau Square in New York City's Chinatown. We're in Manhattan, downtown. In the distance, you can see the financial district. And then if I turn the camera uptown, this would be uptown. And right there in the corner is the Manhattan Bridge. So you kind of get a feeling for where we are. I'm going to be walking us down Mott Street, and we're going to go all the way to Canal, which is kind of like one of the main arteries that run through the Manhattan Chinatown. So if you want to get a good restaurant, you want to see something interesting, you go to Mott Street, you go to Mulberry Street. This is a statue of Lindsay Zhu, pioneer in the war against drugs. There's always a pigeon hanging out on the top of his head. Alright, so let's cross the street and then we'll go to Mott Street. Check it out. I'm going to cross the street now and I'm going to try not to get killed. So you've got a pretty good view of all the financial district in the distance. That's downtown, financial district, maybe a couple of buildings there in Battery Park as well. So now we're on Mott. Maybe let's cross and we'll go through, check out the other side of the street. So now we're going through a little vegetable market.
Tell me what? Yo, you better fuck this shit. She's telling me you better fuck. Ask your loved one, let me. I don't ask you wife or your daughter, nigga. Bitch ass. She tell me what? You better fuck.
Well, that guy went wild. Well, that's a crazy guy from New York City going, I think he just lighted up some weed and now he's going wild. Alright, back to the tour. Oh, not yet. Oh, seems to be on hardcore drugs. Well, that's New York City for you. Sometimes people get crazy. They smoke some weed. I don't know whatever Sue was smoking, but he was smoking something. So now we got a bunch of people eating. Oh, this is a Chinese pharmacy. Oh, he's back and he's abusing more people. Oh, now he's talking to more tourists. Lots of people are enjoying lunch today out. So we're in front of Hop Key, which is one of the kind of old-timey restaurants. It's just been here forever. It's one of the staples of Chinatown. They do great food. And they are in the basement. I've eaten here a long time ago. Back when I was in college, the college days. Oh, I forgot to shout out Ping. Across the street over here, one of my favorite dim sum restaurants. If you guys want to come for dim sum in New York City, I just got to shout out this place, Ping Restaurant on Mott. Very good dim sum, cart style. So you have to choose your food from a cart on the weekends. Very fun. It's one of the things you can do when you get to New York City. Old Chinese shop. This place looks like it's 70 years old. All right, let's keep going. But Chinatown is changing. This is kind of like a new coffee shop that just popped in here a couple years ago. There's a lot of younger Chinese coming in and updating Chinatown. Mott Street has like an old time feel, but people are giving it new life. Here's I believe this is a Catholic church. Here's a cool boutique that's opened up. This is a nice little street for restaurants as well. This is Pell Street. We're going to continue down. So now we're at the corner of Bayard and Mott. We've got an old, that looks like a Vietnamese Chinese restaurant. They do pho, the hot soup. So we're just getting a feel for it. We've got a lot of Chinese lanterns in the middle of the street. It was just the autumn festival, so people are selling mooncakes now. This is Chinese souvenirs, shirts, stationery.
There's also the
Bunch of people waiting to go into New Shanghai restaurant. Here's a bubble tea place. A little pharmacy here. Ooh, cream puffs. They make delicious cream puffs. And this is a new place that opened up, Roasted. They do all Chinese roasted meats. Look at that spread. They've got chickens, they've got roasted pork, they have ducks, and there's a guy in there chopping. 81 Mott Street. Oh, and the classic Fei Da Bakery. If you're in Chinatown, you gotta hit up Fei Da. Great prices. Great prices. It's one of the classic Chinese bakeries. Alright guys, so now we're on the corner of Canal and Mott. Alright, I'm gonna leave you here. Thanks for walking with me. Bye guys, thank you.